In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add money to your Wise account. Adding money to your Wise account is vital for seamless international transactions, efficient currency conversion at real exchange rates, and quick access to funds. To do this, simply head into your Wise account. The easiest way to add money is to first open up a balance account. Just like this account. Tap right here on Open Account. Choose any currency you want to use. Then your account will get created successfully. Head into it. Tap on Add. Enter the amount you want to add to your account. Then click right here on Select any payment method. In my opinion, using your debit card is one of the easiest ways you can add money to your Wise account. Tap on Continue to proceed. You will be required to enter your card details. Then your money will get cut from your card and it will be transferred to your Wise account within seconds. You can decide to use other payment methods such as Cash App and Apple Pay if you're using iOS. That's how easy it is to add money onto your Wise account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.